boosting an event on Facebook works the same way as boosting a post on Facebook. There's a couple different ways you can get there, but they all work the same. You can either use the publishing tools and select it from there. You can find the event in your news feed and boost it from there. Or you can go to your events tab and boost from there. Once you click the boost events button, it gives you some options. So because this is a webinar and we're trying to get more people to sign up, we're going to choose the increase awareness option. It automatically chooses our image for us, or you can choose a different image if that's not the one that you want to use. It's letting us know that our text for this is too long. So we'll go ahead and reduce that, which makes our alert go away, so that's good. Once again, if it's a special ad category for credit, employment, or housing, you're going to want to click that button. And then for the audience, it's the same as a boosted post. You can choose website visitors, you can choose people through targeting. For this, we're going to stick with people in the local area, and it'll do 30 miles around media. The next part is picking how long you want the ad to run for. So because our event actually takes place today, it's going to give us a little bit of trouble because it wants event ads to run at least 4 days. So that's something to keep in mind when boosting a post. Because of this, it's not going to let me change the date range, but for this example, that's okay. You can set your dollar amount for the entire budget, and it will give you a reach, but because of our duration, it's messing with the Facebook metrics a little bit. If you have a Facebook pixel, you can use it here. Otherwise, you can turn this option off. It's going to once again let you choose dollars and the ad account that you want to use to pay for your boosted event. When you click boost, once again, because I don't have a payment method set up, it's going to have me put in that information, and then I would just click continue, and it will go ahead and boost our event.